Most SUVs look good on the lot, but only a few are built to keep going long after others break down. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 most reliable SUVs that just don't quit. These are the models trusted to last well beyond 300,000 miles with minimal repairs. If you want peace of mind and long-term value, these are the SUVs worth your attention. Number 6. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander has long set the benchmark for durable family SUVs, and the 2025 model only reinforces that reputation. Known for routinely surpassing 250,000 to even 300,000 miles with routine maintenance, the Highlander is built for the long haul. Whether you go with the proven 3.5-liter V6 or the efficient hybrid variant, both powertrains are refined and impressively reliable. With proper care, it's not unusual for Highlanders to stay on the road for 15 years or more. And while its starting price is around $39,000, the long-term value is undeniable. Annual maintenance costs hover just above $400, which is remarkably low for a 3-row midsize SUV. Major mechanical problems are rare, and key systems like the drivetrain, suspension, and electronics are engineered for longevity. Reliability studies consistently rank the Highlander among the best in its segment, with owners reporting minimal issues, even well past 150,000 miles. The Highlander doesn't chase trends, and that's a big part of its appeal. It simply performs season after season, mile after mile. For drivers who prioritize peace of mind, predictable ownership, and long-term durability, the Toyota Highlander remains a top-tier pick. Number 5. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 continues to be a gold standard for reliability in the compact SUV class, and the 2025 model reinforces that reputation. Known for exceeding 250,000 miles without breaking a sweat, the RAV4 is powered by a durable 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, with an available hybrid option that adds exceptional fuel efficiency without sacrificing long-term dependability. With a starting price around $29,000, it might not seem flashy, but its value becomes clear over time. Maintenance costs are modest, averaging under $450 annually, and many drivers report owning their RAV4 for more than 10 years with zero major mechanical issues. Toyota's engineering prioritizes longevity, and the RAV4 benefits from one of the most reliable powertrains in its class. The transmission and drivetrain components are tuned for minimal stress and extended service life, helping prevent common failures that plague rival models. This commitment to durability is what keeps the RAV4 on the road year after year. Owners frequently mention how uneventful their repair history has been, a rare and valuable trait. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 doesn't chase trends or headlines. Instead, it quietly delivers a dependable driving experience that lasts for generations. Number 4. LEXUS GX. The LEXUS GX is a symbol of durability, built to last for generations, not just years. For 2025, it introduces a fresh powertrain without compromising the rugged dependability that defines it. Still riding on a proven body-on-frame chassis, it remains one of the only luxury SUVs capable of surpassing 300,000 miles with ease. Owners often keep their GXs well over a decade, and it's no mystery why. Starting just below $60,000, it offers exceptional long-term value. The newly introduced 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 replaces the outgoing V8, delivering improved efficiency and emissions while still being engineered for longevity. This isn't just a performance engine, it's built to last. Despite its upscale appeal, annual maintenance costs typically fall between $500 and $600, making it one of the most affordable luxury SUVs to own over time. While many rivals struggle with suspension issues or electronic failures past 100,000 miles, the GX remains solid. Its mechanical simplicity and well-tested drivetrain allow it to thrive where others fall short. What makes the GX truly special is how little it asks from its owner. No random warning lights, no chronic breakdowns, no headaches even deep into ownership. It simply performs, quietly and confidently, year after year. And that level of dependability is what separates it from the rest. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is one of those rare compact SUVs that quietly racks up miles without demanding much in return. The 2025 model continues that legacy, maintaining its status as one of the most dependable and long-lasting SUVs in its class. It's common to see Foresters surpass 250,000 miles with routine maintenance. With a starting price around $28,000, the Forester delivers strong value both upfront and over time. It consistently ranks high in reliability studies, and owners typically spend under $500 a year on maintenance. Impressive for a standard all-wheel drive SUV. Major mechanical issues are rare, and its drivetrain is among the most durable in the segment. While many competitors face costly problems as they age, the Forester holds up. Components like the suspension, engine seals, and electronics often remain solid well past 150,000 miles. What really sets the Forester apart is its simplicity. Everything is designed with long-term durability in mind, without unnecessary complexity. The 2025 Subaru Forester may not stand out with flashy features, but if you're looking for a vehicle that will last 15 years without constant repairs, it's a smart, dependable choice. Number 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V remains a textbook example of long-term reliability, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. It's the kind of SUV that regularly surpasses 300,000 miles with little more than routine oil changes, brake service, and basic upkeep. Its 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, now more refined, is built for both durability and efficiency, while the hybrid option adds fuel savings without sacrificing dependability. With a starting price of around $30,000, the CR-V offers one of the best reliability-to-cost ratios in the segment. Annual maintenance costs typically range from $400 to $500 depending on trim. Impressive for a vehicle that stays smooth well into its second decade. No recurring warning lights, strange noises, or frequent trips to the mechanic. Honda's engineering shines in areas where competitors struggle. The CVT transmission is well calibrated and rarely problematic. Its suspension, steering, and electrical systems hold up even under high mileage. What truly sets the CR-V apart isn't just how long it lasts, but how little effort it takes to keep it going. For buyers seeking a compact SUV that won't drain their wallet or leave them stranded, the Honda CR-V remains a top-tier choice. Number 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. When it comes to legendary reliability, the Toyota Land Cruiser stands alone. The 2025 model continues its legacy of rugged durability, trusted in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Many Land Cruisers easily exceed 300,000 miles, and plenty go beyond 400,000 with little more than routine upkeep. With a starting price just over $70,000, it's certainly a premium purchase. But what you're buying isn't just an SUV, it's long-term peace of mind. Every bolt and component is engineered for endurance. Despite its full-size build and off-road capabilities, owners commonly report yearly maintenance costs under $600. Impressive for a vehicle of this caliber. This isn't a reputation built on marketing hype. It's earned through decades of real-world performance, from deserts to mountain ranges. Whether you're commuting through traffic or climbing rocky trails, the Land Cruiser feels just as solid at 40,000 miles as it does at 300,000. For drivers who prioritize reliability above all else, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser remains the gold standard. It's not just built to last, it's built to outlast nearly everything else on the road. That wraps up today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming reviews.